goodness of the Lord. He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just want to lift my hands and say that I love him. I just want to lift my heart in praise. And I want to be faithful. I want to be faithful. I want to remember everything that the Lord has done.
the line of sight test first before I actually flown it using a FPV drone. Okay, currently I'm in the stabilized mode. See if we can fly it. Tried it hovering. Right, let's go. This is basically the first time I try to fly this. Actually, we need to unlock the motor first. Down left. Okay, now it's unlocked. I couldn't find any arm button, so I think there is no arm button for this unit. Never mind, just try it first. Alright. Okay. Okay. Actually, this yeah. Something caught on the drone. This controller is really big for my hand. I don't like it. Okay, try to land it. See something on the. Okay, that's the stabilized. Now I'm trying to use the Acro mode. Now Acro mode. This one is Acro mode. Let's see if I can stabilize it. Apparently I need to unlock it again. Alright. Alright, that is your first crash. That is my first crash on the Acro. Try again. Oh, right. It's a little bit hard flying on the line of sight mode. So I'm not able to float it in the line of sight mode, so I'm going to try to put on the goggles and see how it goes. Okay. Alright guys, this is me flying Acro mode in full FPV mode. This is the first time I've flown it in FPV mode. You guys see my throttle. I mean, you guys see my controller. Recording now. Alright, let's try it. This is a full FPV mode, Acro mode directly. Let's see if I can do this. Unlock the motor. Yeah, let's go. Alright, I'm flying now. Bit fast. It's not clear. Up. Taking a wrong turn. Oh, okay. Again, first time. I only have 11 hours in sim flying FPV. So this is 11 hours flying in the sim, guys. This is what you get. Let's see. So far the radio, the video feed is okay. Oh. Up. First crash. Where is it? Fuck. I'm gonna collect it now. Hopefully it's okay. Let's go. Yeah, the sims feels a little bit rigid, and the real FPV flying will be more fluid, liquid. What I mean is that you will get the fear factor one. Again, I think he survived. Yeah, I think he survived. Can try again. And then the second one will be the air factor. We try again, and I didn't time my battery. How long is it already? It's 4 minutes now. I think I best to change the battery or give it another go. Well, I'm gonna give it another go. Yeah. And then the other thing that feel off to me is that there's no sound on the drone. Maybe I'll try to find out how can I enable the propeller sound, the motor sound, because I feel weird. There's no sound for me to hear during flying. Never mind. For this case, I just try to fly this again. That's what you see. This is the 11 hours in sims. So I'm going to lower this camera so that I can fly more slower. Hope so. I'm gonna do it fast because of the VTX doesn't like to be idle for quite some time. Okay, let's go. Okay, just need to give a little bit push. What the hell is that? Oh, now full throttle, man. So it can bring the run cam fly, but you get your battery for shorter hours, shorter time. I'm basically on full, be 90% all the time. Now battery is, yeah. Okay, I'm going to land. Alright, just a few minutes fly with run cam. Yeah, I hope I get good footage or it doesn't record. typical. Yeah, I don't think it's recording. Never mind, we're gonna try again. Alright guys, no more fly, no radio, Acro mode. Just don't stress out the the guy. He just don't like to be put any camera on it. Never mind, you guys just need to see from my goggles. Alright, let's go, let's cruise around. When it get far from my my range, I cannot hear the motor propeller, so I feel a little bit weird. So yeah, I will learn how to put the camera on this drone next time. Right now I just need to learn controlling the drone as it is. Yeah, I can feel the wind coming from there. Again guys, this is 10 hours from simulator, and then what I can say is that yeah, put time on the sim first before you actually buy one of these, so that you won't waste your investment. As you guys can see that yeah, a little bit hard in the first place to play, but I don't want to fly in stabilized mode or angle mode, because I just want to be more used to Acro mode. Maybe somebody is watching me. Oh shit, fuck, it's on me, stupid, show off. Let's go up high, man. Let's see. Yeah, the VTX doesn't give me much more range. Let's try to land properly this time. Huh? Let's try to land properly. Let's try to land properly, guys. Let's try to land properly. Up. Let's try to land properly. Ground effect maybe. Okay, that's the best I can do. Never mind, we can try again. Where's the motor? Let's see, where's the motor? Yeah, I really don't like this controller.